And today I'm going to talk about the Basecamp dust mask with activated carbon. This mask is pretty comfy on your face. It's good on your ears. It doesn't interfere with your glasses. Also, my glasses don't fog up when I have it on, which was a big problem before. So I found myself taking masks off because of fogging up my glasses. I couldn't see, so I ended up taking it off a lot and then working without a mask, which really isn't good. So I love this mask. Comes in a zip pouch too. It's pretty easy to store. As you all know, I'm a wood carver, and I've tried many masks over the years, and lately I've been trying the neoprene ones on the market, looking for something that I liked. Some of them work slightly, but they're pretty hot, uncomfortable to wear, made my face sweat. Then I bought the Basecamp mask, and I gotta tell you, what a difference. There were no funky smells from the filter or the material itself either. It's a lot better than those neoprene ones I was trying out before for biking and allergies and other things. Basecamp mask is a solid mesh, so it's truly a good mask. It's sturdy. Sometimes it feels a little weird on me because there's lots of extra material in the back, to tighten. Because I'm kind of a small guy. Everyone knows I'm small. Yeah, who knows me? I'm only 5 foot tall, so that might be a little bit different for your average person. So if you're smaller like me, be prepared to troubleshoot it a little bit as far as that goes. But otherwise, it fits pretty well. I can breathe a lot easier through this mask. The entire filter is utilized. I can tell when I'm using it. So what is this mask ideal for? I like the convenience of the quick on-off feature using the hook and the latch in the back. Some days I'm consistently back and forth power carving especially, and I'm carving basswood and other things which make really fine dust. Most of which the traditional disposable masks are way too inefficient and poor, to use, in my opinion, for wood carving. They don't really fit me right, and I end up breathing the dust anyway. Plus, there's the issue of wearing safety glasses all day, so the ability to quickly add and remove this mask is a great feature. The effectiveness of the filters is pretty good, and again, I can breathe freely and have pretty limited fogging on my safety glasses. Small adjustment of the glasses usually is sufficient to keep it from fogging. Overall, I think the Basecamp is a great mask for the price compared to many others that are more expensive. If you're highly sensitive to fine dust particles, you might want to use like a respirator, especially if you have allergies. Right? But if you're like me and you like to work in the shop with wood as a hobby or as a business like mine, and you want to reduce the deadly particles and dangerous particles that you're breathing in every day, then you might want to give this one a try. The pros for this mask for me: doesn't fog my glasses, it's easy to talk through, it fits and seals great, it doesn't slip off, and it looks pretty good also. This mask is made of nylon mesh, so it's really lightweight, it's comfortable, it's breathable, and it's really nice to wear in hot weather. It's anti-pollution. It's got an adjustable nose clip, a hang and ear design, removable hook and loop strap, and it helps to effectively seal and prevents fogging. It's got dual one-way discharge valves, and the mesh material design of the air breathing mask makes air resistance smaller without sacrificing any filtration, which is really nice. When I wear it, I really do feel that I'm using all of the filters. It filters out about 99% of exhaust, dust, chemicals, particles, pollen, smoke, and fumes. It's pretty suitable for people with pollen allergies. It's good for woodworking, for painting, for mowing, people who run, cyclers, and hikers. Great for all outdoor activities and those with allergies. Now remember, these masks aren't recommended for use against silica, asbestos, lead, arsenic, cadmium, abrasive blasting, or any other toxic or dangerous substances. You shouldn't be sheetrocking in it or anything like that. However, you can wear it to protect from germs, to mow the lawn, for wood carving, biking, allergies, all those things. Okay? So just keep that in mind if you're thinking of purchasing this mask. Might be just what you're looking for all this time if you've been trying masks on and going through them like me. I also throw mine a lot. I throw my masks out a lot after only using them once or twice. This one right here, you take off, you hang it up, or you put it in the pouch and store it. You're good to go the next time you want to carve or whatever your chore is going to be for the day. So you can try one if you like by clicking the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.